Helpstation. I actually met Helpstation after my business, Charliewood, was nominated for the Startup Awards. And since then, they've been of help to us.
After talking to them, I realized that they have good intentions for SMEs or small skills like me.
The Helpstation is an initiative by Premium Bank and in partnership with the African Network of Entrepreneurs, that's TANU. And this is aimed at providing SMEs the requisite support they need to set up and to grow their businesses. The Helpstation is in line with Premium Bank's vision of becoming an SME bank of choice, the leading SME bank in Ghana that truly supports SMEs and provides them everything that they need.
They will add value to anything that you do, right from the scratch. If you don't even have anything, based on advice they will give you, we'll let you go to places and you'll be surprised where you'll be.
Helpstation basically had several intervention programs. For us, the benefit of the intervention we benefited from was having access to market with Premium Bank.
The challenges that most SMEs face, and primarily because the Helpstation is by a bank, they come in thinking that their major challenge is finance. But in our analysis and the assessments we do and our interactions with them, we get to find out that, in fact, most of them are focused on their core trade or their business. And one of the challenges they are facing is inadequate market or access to market. So even though most of them come in thinking that they need money, what we do is we analyze their business and then we provide them an avenue where they can reach more customers.
They helped me build on my confidence level.
We first sit them down and talk to them. And essentially we take them through their business and then walk them through the needs assessment. And then when we have a clear picture of what the help is, then we draw up a plan on how we are going to walk this person through the requisites and necessary help that they will need. The second step is we visit the business or the premise to find out what they do to get a better understanding of their business, what sectors they are in, and then what their opportunities are, and how we can better help them.
They always get in touch with me. If there's a need, I run to them, they talk to me, and they keep adding value.
Meeting Helpstation has helped us a lot. We are now exporting to UK.
Through the relationship, Helpstation helped us to be able to have access to financing from Premium Bank.
We, the Helpstation, we are a support system for you. Whatever you need, just call on us. Come to the Helpstation and you will get the help you need to make your business succeed.